Alright, so today we're gonna do more operations with fractions. And next lesson 2.10, we're gonna do more operations with not decimals. I already did that one. Um Operations with mixed numbers. So these 2.9, 2.10 are gonna be about operations with certain fractions and mixed numbers. So we have to remember the order operation. So you have to I don't really have an order operation video on my channel, but other channels might have understand the order operations. You can go check the order operations because order operations are a very big part of this lesson, and so is next lesson. So if you can't do order operations, go. You guys can go to the channel. I will post fifth grade stuff after I'm done with the seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th grade stuff. I will post back to fifth. I'll post back to fifth grade stuff. So yeah. But let's see. Write this expression: 2 times what half plus 2/3 minus 1/6. The first in order operation, we got PEMDAS or bond mass or bed mass. All the same thing. Brackets or just parentheses, stuff like that. So I use PEMDAS method. We have parentheses slash brackets. So slash parentheses slash brackets. So I'm gonna solve the brackets. 2 out of 1 times 1 out of 2. That's 1. So my nose clogged those. 1 plus 2/3 minus 1/6. And order of operations doesn't really matter. Order of operations doesn't really matter when the same two operations, the one you like, the first case, second grade, like in this subtraction. I'll make you a tip. Multiplication, division, uh, goes together, like from left to right. So the subtraction go from left to right together, and they does not like a PEMDAS to follow like every single step. Multiplication and division go together. There's not multiplication first and division. If there's division before multiplication, do it from left to right. Only like it's same for addition subtraction. But after addition and multiplication, do multiplication first, because they're multiplication and addition are together. But if you have division and multiplication, then you can do it from left to right. But you can't do left to right from addition or division or addition or multiplication or subtraction or addition. I'm subtracting or multiplying or subtracting or dividing. You can't do that. You can only do it left to right to multiplication, division, or addition, subtraction together. So I'm gonna add these. I'm gonna add 1 and 2/3, which is 1 and 2/3. Now let's subtract 1/6. I'll find a common denominator. Next, for the common denominator I see a 6. So I'll write this as a 6. And it takes 3 to multiply twice, so it takes this to multiply twice. So I get 4. Here we multiply only one time. Here we only multiply about one time. Gets 1. And that just equals to 1 3/6. And remember, for equivalent fractions, we're gonna cross this and make it 1/2. So this here equals 1 1/2. Now, as you can see, 1 1/2. Oh, it was 1 1/2. Oh yeah, I got 1 1/2. I thought I put 1/2 for a second. Again, we got 1 1/2 because it's actually correct. It's actually 1 1/2 or 3/2, 1.5, whatever you could call it, but it's the same thing. Yeah. This is what to do as well. If you have, like, say, 5 times 1/5, you know what to do. I don't know. I know you guys know this, but I'm gonna teach you it again. I like to cross cancel the same. I like to cross cancel the greatest common factor too. On this case is one, so I just turn it into 1 and 1, and that's just going to equal to 1. Or 5 and 1 times 1 out of 5. You can also just try to do this. 5 out of 1. You could change it to a fraction. Cross cancel. Becomes in a 1 to 1. And we know if you turn 1 to a fraction, multiply by 1 by its reciprocal, you get 1. So imagine if you multiply a whole number by its reciprocal, you get 1. If you have 3 halves times 1/3, no. If you have 2/3 times 3 halves, you get 1 out of 1. We get like 6 out of 6, and we get 1. So any fraction multiplied by its reciprocal is always 1. So 5 out of 1 times 1 out of 5 are reciprocals. So if you multiply them, we get 1. We get 1. So they're called reciprocals. So there's some reciprocals here. Alright, let's see if you can try this one here. I don't know why I put it all over there. Um, let's see if you can solve this problem here. 2/5 plus 2 times 1/3 minus 1/8 plus 2/8 divided by 1/8. So it's a little harder, it's a little easier problem. Now to divide fraction and multiply it by its flipped version or by its reciprocal. So that's what we had to do. Alright,